Hi everybody, welcome to week 5. We are flying through this course. Next week is kind of a heavy week when it comes to reading. We are going to be reading Hamlet, which is fantastic. Maybe you've read it before, but it's also one of the longer of Shakespeare's plays. In fact, I think it is the longest. I have to check, but it is anyway a long one. The good news, though, is that this week, owing to the fact that we are celebrating a holiday on Monday, the 4th of July, there are fewer readings. You'll notice that this week feels a little bit lighter, even though I have added those 13 pages to the reading assignment. You can really just skim those over, but please be aware that they will be material that I will definitely actually be revisiting when it comes to take your cumulative quiz at the end of the course in week 8. So, lighter reading assignment this week. We are working on essays, the nonfiction literary genre. And this will really be the last of our genre readings. Next week, we read a chapter that's a little bit more geared toward how to write your own critical analysis essays. And we're going to be doing some activities to really help you launch your own term paper. And as I say, we're reading Hamlet. And then in week 7, we're going to be doing some literature from various different parts of the world. And then in week 8, that's the end. You've got to turn in your critical analysis paper. You've got to take your cumulative quiz and write a final exam essay as well. Sometimes at this point, students are getting a little nervous because they think a critical analysis essay and a final exam essay. What's that final exam essay going to be? Think of it as sort of a longer reading journal that'll ask you to look back over the whole course and ask you a question maybe like, what have you learned? Or why study literature? You know, what argument can you make for the importance of studying literature? There are plenty of people who think that it isn't an important or serious activity. So you could be expecting like something like that for your final essay exam. And really, that's the end. We are getting very, very close here. So if you have any questions or concerns, as always, send me an email. But everyone is doing really well, and I hope you're enjoying the course as much as I am. Okay, everybody, thanks, and I hope you have a wonderful 4th of July.